Hi, my name's Garrick Wordmuller, and I have friends coming over tonight for dinner that I haven't seen in forever. So what I thought I'd do, since I'm standing right here on San Francisco Bay, is do a little homage to the city, doing some cioppino and a little green goddess salad on the side, two classics from the city by the bay. Let's go shopping. Okay, I know the basics that I need, but for the dressing and the cioppino, I'm just seeing what fresh herbs, produce, and seafood look good. With fresh ingredients, sometimes winging it is the best way to go. Okay, now we're going to start our cioppino broth. Now the good thing about this is I'm actually starting it a day ahead. And then that way, when my friends come over, I'll be able to enjoy company as well as serve great food and not be stressed out. For the aromatics of the broth, I go heavy for a nice rich flavor. I use white and green onions, carrots, celery, green bell pepper, and fennel. Medium diced, real fast, just like this. Then take whole canned tomatoes and just really squish them up with your hands. Next, you're going to add a little vegetable oil to a hot pot, add the aromatics, and let them sweat for a little while. Once translucent, go ahead and add a bottle of white wine. I use Sauvignon Blanc, a couple bay leaves, and some fish or chicken stock. Then you're going to add your tomatoes and your tomato paste. Now we're going to bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 45 minutes and see what we got. Now we're going to start our green goddess dressing, where legend has it this dressing was created in 1923 at the Palace Hotel in downtown San Francisco for actor George Arliss, where the executive chef wanted to pay tribute to his hit play, The Green Goddess. For the green goddess dressing, I use parsley, green onion, spinach, basil, and shallots. Blanch the spinach in boiling water and then pull it out and shock it in an ice bath. Next, add some vegetable oil, all the herbs, and the spinach into a blender and puree until smooth. Next, take the green stuff, add lemon juice, mayonnaise, and Dijon mustard, and whisk away. And now on to the seafood. I went ahead and got snow crab legs, and what you want to do with these is pound the claws out, but then you also want to cut through the legs. It makes it much easier to serve and eat. To accompany the crab legs, I got some halibut, fresh prawns, and some diver scallops. I go ahead and slice the scallops into threes, and also slice the halibut into large chunks, and not a moment too soon.
Hey guys, come on in!
Hey!
Hello! Oh, it smells great in here!
Hey, what's going on, Garrett? With the Goon Squad arriving, I've got to get started on my salad and garnish.
Wow, dude, slow down, man.
I've got to move fast with this crowd.
It's crazy!
Keep the cheese bread simple. Cheese and bread. Hence the name, cheese bread. Alright, so here we go. We're cooking the cioppino. Company has arrived. So basically we put the star of the show, the Alaskan king crab legs in. And these cook for about 10 minutes. Alright, so we're going to start plating up the salad. It's almost time to eat. Now normally when you guys go to dinner parties, it's all about family style. I think it's a little more impressive to do plated, so I wanted to show you what's really easy. Just line up the plates. Here's our green goddess dressing. We're going to go like this. Green goddess dressing looks really cool on the bottom of the plate. Then go ahead and place 2 large heirloom slices in the middle of the plate. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper. Add your baby romaine leaves, some heirloom wedges on top of that, along with some baby parsley and lots of Parmesan cheese. Now that is a salad. Special trick number 1 to any dinner party: warm your plates. Keep the food warm, keep the guests happy. Okay, we're going to get ready to start plating the cioppino. We're going to put crab legs in first. Obviously, that's going to be the showpiece. And if you're making cioppino at home, the dishes are going to get a little sloppy, okay? So just know that. Your friends are going to get a little sloppy too. Once the crab legs are in the bowls, you need to move quick. Divvy up the seafood. 3 sliced scallops per person, 3 prawns, and some halibut. Add the broth, a little parsley, and some fresh basil chiffonade to garnish. Don't you wish you were coming over now too?
Oh my god, this looks great!
It's with shrimp, crab legs, and what else is there?
Well, there's scallop, halibut, shrimps, and lots of cheese bread to go around, you guys. Dig in.
Alright!
Oh, yes! Perfect!
How's the food, guys?
Oh my god.
Oh, it's wonderful. Oh my gosh.
We also live in a society where it's not really economical.
And now dinner's on. Good conversation, good friends, and good food. What could be better?
Brothers, okay, I'm talking for a while.
Chiari's at UC San Diego, and
It's a benefit in society. I mean, it's like a positive.
I
Did you get
love
that?
it.
Did you get that?
What is it?
cheers to the chef.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
a happy crowd.